Hey guys, welcome back to channel. If you're into mobile gaming, you're in for a treat today. We're checking out the RedMagic 9S Pro, the latest gaming phone from Nubia. Is this the best gaming phone ever? Let's find out. Stick around for a full performance test and my honest take at the end. 1. Design and display. All right, let's start with the design. This thing looks straight out of the future. The RedMagic 9S Pro rocks a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a crisp 2480 by 1116 resolution and a peak brightness of 1600 nits. No annoying notches or punch holes, just an uninterrupted, immersive gaming screen. And let's not forget the RGB lighting on the back, which gives it that true gaming phone vibe. 2. Performance and benchmarks. Now let's talk about power. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version chipset, clocked at 3.4 GHz plus a 1 GHz GPU. This thing crushes benchmarks, scoring over 2.37 million on AnTuTu. Yeah, that's wild. With up to 16 gigabytes RAM and super fast UFS 4.0 storage, it flies through games like Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact with maxed out settings and zero lag. 3. Cooling system. High performance means high heat, but don't worry, RedMagic's got that covered. The ICE 13.5 cooling system keeps things cool so you won't experience thermal throttling even after long gaming sessions. That said, the phone's back can still get a little warm, but it's nothing major. Battery and charging. Gaming phones need serious battery life, and the RedMagic 9S Pro delivers. The massive 6,500 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, even with heavy gaming. And when you need a quick top-up, the 80-watt fast charging gets you back in action in no time. No more worrying about battery drain in the middle of an intense match. 5. Cameras. Let's be real, gaming phones aren't known for their cameras, and the RedMagic 9S Pro is no exception. You get a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, which are fine for casual shots but nothing mind-blowing. The 16-megapixel under-display front camera is cool tech, but the image quality is just okay. If you're big on photography, this might not be your best pick. 6. Software and features. RedMagic's UI is built for gamers, with customizable shoulder triggers and a dedicated gaming mode to boost performance. It's not the prettiest interface, and software updates aren't as frequent as we'd like, but if you're all about gaming, you'll love the extra features. 7. Final verdict. So, is the RedMagic 9S Pro the best gaming phone out there? If raw power and gaming features are what you're after, this phone is an absolute beast. The performance, display, and cooling system make it a dream for mobile gamers. But if you care a lot about cameras or regular software updates, you might want to look elsewhere. Call to action. What do you guys think? Would you grab the RedMagic 9S Pro or go for something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome tech content. Catch you in the next one.